Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin update for Thursday 6th of October, and Bitcoin is trading at 20,321. There's a technical journey to go to $21,000. Let's see if we can actually do $21,000, because my take is that Bitcoin is looking to go there because of this ascending triangle right there. So you pop up and you go to 21,000. So that technical target is still pending. We haven't really met the technical target, so we go from there to there. This is where you're breaking out, so there's a little bit of a room left to go up to 21,000. But I want to actually tell you something, because I told you this one yesterday as well, and that is you have to be careful regarding this resistance up there. Okay, that is the resistance that you actually want to be very, very, very careful about. So if the last time you made that touch there, you went down. You made this touch right over here, you went down. You made that touch right over there, you went down. But there's one more thing I didn't talk about, and that is this is almost a descending broadening wedge, which is actually a bullish pattern. Okay, all in all, that's a bullish pattern because it's a descending broadening wedge, which leads me to say, just like you had the ascending triangle and the technical target of the ascending triangle is $21,000, if somehow Bitcoin manages to break out of this descending broadening wedge and backtest and pass the retest, then you're looking for Bitcoin to basically move up to 25,000, and that's where you have another resistance up there. Okay, that's going to be a huge resistance. Actually, it's going to be a huge W. Number one, break out of the W right there, and the technical target is going to be somewhere up here to 25 or $26,000. But it's all about breaking that resistance, which in my take, whatever happens, I pretty much don't care. But I'm just bothered with the monthly 55 EMA that has happened for the first time in 7 years. So yeah, let's see what happens, guys. There are chances of still going up to 25,000 as well, but you really got to pay attention to that 55. You can see how the 55 EMA has been massively stopping the prices to reach to wherever it wants to go. But we do have a spinning top right there, but unfortunately there's a little bit of confluence on the monthly time frame. If I try to show you that one, then this is what I'm trying to talk about. Like, this is a little bit of a trouble there, something like that. Okay, so that was support, and you broke down and you closed, and this one acted as resistance. So this monthly candlestick, I don't know if it's gonna be any huge for me to even say it's gonna go back up to 25,000. But if on the monthly time frame you end up closing up like this to 25,000 in the next 30 days, 25 days actually, then you're gonna be printing in a morning star, and that could basically be the bottom for Bitcoin. Who knows? You could actually just make a bottom here and then boom, go to the upside as well. But it actually depends if in the next 25 days how Bitcoin behave. Now if I show you the DXY, on the daily, the DXY looks a little bit ready to move, and that's actually making in a bullish engulfing candlestick at the moment. So you guys got to be very, very careful. It seems like DXY is in the mood to start to make its move up again, because number one, it came down to a very, very big level of support. So if I do show you right here, and this is what DXY loves to do, from here you can see what DXY actually loves to do. So let me show you this uptrend of the DXY. All right, so number one, the technical target of the DXY is to come up to 118, which it actually hasn't done just yet. So anytime you saw it, you broke to the upside, came for the retest, move up. You went to the upside, came to support, moved up. You went up, came to support, moved up again, came back to support, moved up again, and now you came back to support, and now you're looking to move up again and maybe come down, and that's where you might have Bitcoin to move higher. So DXY has a technical target to continue higher. It hasn't been met, so you guys got to be a little bit careful. Let's even look at the 4-hour time frame as well, and let's see if because I do see a little bit of a break of a resistance here. So this was a trend line that it has broken out of. Okay, that's a little bit of a trend line. So yeah, it's gonna actually push a little bit down. down to 110.5. It's at 110.8, and that's where we might see Bitcoin going up to 21,000 and get rejected to go down, and this one backtest the line to go actually up. Because what is support for DXY right now here, you can see that, is actually going to be resistance for Bitcoin at 21,000. Okay, for Bitcoin 21,000. Now, given that DXY fails the retest and Bitcoin passes 21 to go to 22,000, that's where DXY loses support and goes lower, and Bitcoin breaks resistance to continue higher to 25. If it can happen, amazing. Now that one cannot be predicted at the moment. And that's pretty much it for this Bitcoin update. Hope you enjoyed this detailed one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.